Today we are going to do our own version of this fox, originally made by Mario Lange. To make our drawing we will need a pencil, a rubber, a black marker, a dark green marker, a light blue pencil, a dark blue pencil, an orange pencil, a yellow pencil, a pink pencil and a green pencil. Please, make sure you have everything prepared. Now we will pick up our pencil and we will start our drawing. The teacher will be pausing the video for you to follow the steps. Now, trace the lines with the black marker. We will make some lines with the green marker. The clouds with a blue marker. And color the drawing with the pencils. Now we write the name of the artist. And your drawing is finished. Enjoy it.